In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon Flex account in the USA. If you want to start delivering for Amazon and getting paid, follow these simple steps. First, open your browser on your phone and search for Amazon Flex USA. Click on the first link that appears. That is flex.amazon.com. Once the website is open, tap the three lines in the top left. Go to how it works, then go to getting started. Here you will see the full process. Download the Amazon app and set up your account. Look for delivery opportunities, make deliveries and get paid. So next, click on download for your device, App Store for iPhone, Google Play Store for Android. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your Amazon Flex account. Enter your details, verify your information, and you are ready to start accepting delivery opportunities. And that's it. That's how you create an Amazon Flex account in the USA. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.